Learn Gujarati hotel phrases in English.
મારી પાસે આરક્ષણ છે.
2.
કેટલી રાતો માટે?
Welcome to the Sleepy Hotel. Hey, you are about to check into a very imaginary hotel where the pillows are fluffy, the receptionist is dramatic, and your Gujarati gets better fast. Let's learn the phrases you actually need. You walk into a hotel lobby at midnight with one suitcase, one snack, and approximately 7% battery left on your phone. The receptionist looks at you. You look at the receptionist. A ceiling fan spins like it knows all languages. You smile bravely and say,
મારી પાસે આરક્ષણ છે.
That means, I have a reservation. If you do not have a reservation, this is still a great sentence to know. If you say it confidently enough, even your suitcase may believe you. Your first useful request. Now let's make sure you can ask for a room without accidentally ordering 12 mangoes. It happens. Probably. If you need a room, say,
મને ઈ કોરડું જોઈએ છે.
I would like a room. Say it again slowly.
મને ઈ કોરડું જોઈએ છે.
Imagine you are tired, your socks are questioning your life choices, and all you want is a bed. That is your moment for
મને ઈ કોરડું જોઈએ છે.
single or double drama. Here comes the classic hotel question. One bed or enough space to perform a small dance routine? You choose. For a single room, say,
એક સિંગલ રૂમ, કૃપા કરીને.
a single room, please. For a double room, say,
એક ડબલ રૂમ, કૃપા કરીને.
a double room, please. Repeat after me.
એક સિંગલ રૂમ, કૃપા કરીને.
And now,
એક ડબલ રૂમ, કૃપા કરીને.
if you are traveling alone, the single room is practical. If you are traveling with another person, the double room is useful. If you are traveling with 3 cousins, 1 guitar, and a mysterious plastic container of homemade food, you may need a longer conversation. Mini dialogue at the desk. Let's put the phrases into a short scene so they feel real in your mouth and not just trapped in a vocabulary list. Receptionist. Welcome to the Moonlight Hotel. You.
મારી પાસે આરક્ષણ છે.
Receptionist. Very good. Or maybe you do not have one. Then you say,
મને ઈ કોરડું જોઈએ છે.
Receptionist. Certainly. Single or double? You.
એક સિંગલ રૂમ, કૃપા કરીને.
Or you.
એક ડબલ રૂમ, કૃપા કરીને.
Receptionist.
કેટલી રાતો માટે?
That means, for how many nights? Congratulations, you have now survived the front desk. Quick memory tricks. Let's make these phrases sticky, like hotel keycards that somehow end up in your jacket pocket for 6 months. Think of
મારી પાસે આરક્ષણ છે.
as your golden ticket sentence. You say it and doors open. Think of
મને ઈ કોરડું જોઈએ છે.
as your tired traveler sentence. Feet hurt, brain sleepy, room needed. 4.
એક સિંગલ રૂમ, કૃપા કરીને.
Hold up one finger in your mind. 4.
એક ડબલ રૂમ, કૃપા કરીને.
Imagine 2 people trying to share one tiny suitcase. 4.
કેટલી રાતો માટે?
Picture a receptionist tapping a calendar with dramatic seriousness. Fast practice challenge. Your turn now. Answer in your head, out loud, or with full movie star confidence. How do you say, I have a reservation?
મારી પાસે આરક્ષણ છે.
How do you say, I would like a room?
મને ઈ કોરડું જોઈએ છે.
How do you say, a single room, please?
એક સિંગલ રૂમ, કૃપા કરીને.
How do you say, a double room, please?
એક ડબલ રૂમ, કૃપા કરીને.
How do you say, for how many nights?
કેટલી રાતો માટે?
Friendly conclusion. Nice work. You just learned hotel survival Gujarati without even having to drag a suitcase up 3 flights of stairs. Today you practiced 5 strong travel phrases.
મારી પાસે આરક્ષણ છે. મને ઈ કોરડું જોઈએ છે. એક સિંગલ રૂમ કૃપા કરીને. એક ડબલ રૂમ કૃપા કરીને.
And.
કેટલી રાતો માટે?
Thank you for listening. Keep practicing out loud, have fun with it, and come back to repeat the phrases until they feel natural and easy.